This is the GE40H horizontal machining center, and we'll be doing a quick walkthrough of the whole machine. It features an automatic pallet changer with two 400mm pallets. Automatic tool changer with a 42 magazine. This machine has a 12,000 RPM, 33.5 horsepower, direct coupled, 40 taper spindle. This machine rapids at 60 meters per minute or at 2,362 inches per minute on X, Y, and Z axes. It comes with a Fanuc Series 31.9 Model B control. This machine has a side discharge tip conveyor system. It has a filter pump, center through pump, and a nozzle coolant pump. The chip conveyor also has pressure gauges, level gauges, and an oil skimmer. This machine is equipped with a Daikin Hybrid Series hydraulic unit. Up above are the hydraulic components. Next to it are the pneumatic components. Right above the pneumatic components, we have our IO-Link interface modules, as well as pressure gauges for the pallet system. The lubrication system is a grease type system. On the rear side of the machine, we have the electrical cabinet.